You open your laptop, you ask an AI to write your email. It does it in 4 seconds, better than you would have. You ask it to plan your week, done. You ask it to summarize a 40-page report, done before you finished your coffee. And somewhere in the back of your mind, a quiet question starts creeping in. If it can do that, what can it do? Most people think the answer is simple. They think it's about which jobs involve typing on a computer versus which ones involve using your hands. Office work bad, manual work safe. That's the story everyone tells. But here's what most people don't realize. That story's wrong, almost backwards, actually. Let's start with something that should stop you in your tracks. Researchers from OpenAI and the University of Pennsylvania found that many higher income, knowledge based professions are among the most exposed to large language models. Rather than replacing physical labor first, AI is proving especially capable of automating many language and office based tasks. Meanwhile, something strange is happening on the other end of the spectrum. Construction companies across many countries continue to report severe labor shortages, not because the work disappeared, but because AI still can't pour concrete, climb a ladder, repair a leaking pipe, or rewire an old house full of unexpected surprises. So if it isn't about white collar versus blue collar, what is it about? Think about that for a second. Psychologist Daniel Kahneman spent decades studying how humans make decisions under uncertainty. His research revealed something that's becoming increasingly important in the age of AI. The hardest problems aren't always the ones that involve complicated calculations. They're the ones filled with uncertainty, incomplete information, changing circumstances, human emotion. The moments where there isn't one obvious right answer, that's the real dividing line. Not uses a computer versus uses their hands. It's predictable versus unpredictable, routine versus judgment, rules versus relationships. Let me show you what that actually looks like. Imagine you're a nurse anesthetist. Halfway through surgery, a patient's blood pressure suddenly crashes. There isn't a checklist that perfectly matches this exact person, this exact complication, this exact moment. You have seconds to decide. Years of experience, pattern recognition, communication with the surgical team, and clinical judgment all come together in one decision. That's not just following instructions, that's judgment under pressure. Now imagine you're a paralegal reviewing documents, organizing legal files, searching case law, and preparing standard legal paperwork. Those tasks are incredibly valuable, but many of them follow repeatable patterns, and patterns are exactly what large language models excel at. That's why studies consistently rank many paralegal tasks among the legal activities most exposed to AI assistance and automation. Here's the interesting part. Both careers exist within the legal and healthcare systems. Both require significant knowledge. Yet one depends primarily on following established processes. The other depends on making high stakes decisions when the process no longer fits. The difference isn't the profession, it's the nature of the work itself. So who actually wins in this new world? Multiple labor market studies consistently rank careers like nurse anesthetists, emergency physicians, judges, and airline pilots among the occupations least exposed to AI automation. Not because they're smarter than everyone else, because they're accountable. They make decisions where mistakes have enormous consequences. They work in situations that constantly change, and people trust them precisely because another human is making the final call. But here's the part that genuinely surprised researchers. PwC analyzed more than a billion job advertisements across 6 continents in its AI jobs barometer. They found that leadership, strategic thinking, communication, and critical decision making are becoming increasingly valuable, even in roles that traditionally focused on technical execution. Think about that. AI isn't just changing experienced jobs, it's quietly raising the expectations for entry level roles too. Companies increasingly expect new employees to contribute judgment, creativity, collaboration, and problem solving from day one, while AI handles more of the routine work. And here's the twist that flips the whole fear narrative on its head. Many of the companies investing most heavily in AI aren't shrinking, they're continuing to hire. PwC found that businesses making greater use of AI are experiencing faster productivity growth, stronger wage growth, and increasing demand for workers who know how to work alongside AI rather than compete against it. So far, the evidence suggests AI is changing jobs far faster than it's eliminating entire occupations. It's separating routine work from human judgment, predictable tasks from unpredictable ones, the work that follows instructions from the work that creates them. So, what does this mean for you? If your job mostly involves repeating the same process every day, even if it's highly skilled, that part of your work is becoming easier for AI to assist with. But if your role requires earning trust, reading a room, making difficult decisions with incomplete information, leading people, solving problems nobody has seen before. Those are the parts becoming more valuable. Here's something practical you can do. Take your current job, split it into two lists. On one side, write every task that follows the same steps every time. The reports, the paperwork, scheduling, the documentation, those are the areas where AI can become your assistant, helping you work faster and more efficiently. Now, make a second list: the conversations, the negotiations, the unexpected problems, the decisions that require experience, the moments where someone depends on your judgment. That's your competitive advantage. That's where your future value is growing. And if you're in a role where almost every day feels like following a script, where there's little room for judgment, little opportunity to solve new problems, little responsibility beyond completing repeatable tasks, don't panic. Use it as a signal. Start building the skills that AI struggles to replicate. Learn to lead, learn to communicate, learn to make decisions under uncertainty, learn to solve problems that don't have obvious answers. Those are the skills that become more valuable every time AI gets smarter. And if you're looking to future-proof your career, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Every week, we break down what's actually changing in the world of AI without the hype and show you how to stay ahead of it. So let's go back to that moment at the beginning that you watched AI write your email in 4 seconds. At first, it felt unsettling, like it was proving how replaceable people are. But maybe it was showing something completely different. Maybe it was revealing exactly where the line is, not between humans and machines, but between work that's predictable and work that requires judgment. Once you can see that line, you can choose which side of it you want to stand on.